then it's just repetitive to screw it down to the lath and stuff. No problem once you get it up here and get it in place. Now it's just a matter of screwing everything down. So the cost of the metal also comes with enough screws to do both projects. And I've screwed everything down with one of the Walmart Hyper Tough 20-volt impact guns. I think they're $40-something at Walmart. Very impressed with this too, guys. It screwed everything down, plenty of power. I mean, I've not charged the battery. I mean, it screwed everything down and the battery wasn't fully charged. So very proud of it, good. But like I said, cheap tool. If I get this screwed down and my underpin screwed down with this and it burn up, I feel like I got my money's worth. Anyway, gonna screw the rest of this down, get the other one down, finish this roof up this evening. Just wanted to show just how you can manipulate this longer tin. It's not the easiest, but you can do it. Save you some money from having to pay somebody else. But part 5, cinder block, in-ground pool, pool house project. I hope everybody liked it. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. And I'm gonna finish this up this evening. Y'all have a great rest of the day. Be safe out there, and we'll talk to y'all later. Thank you, guys.